Hi Blender fans, in this tutorial what I'm going to do is welcome Alex to our Blender journey. Today Alex is on her first steps towards creating their very own magical cabin, but first of all you've got to learn a few fundamentals in Blender. Now Blender is a free and open source software that can be downloaded on blender.org, but first of all let's just learn a few things in Blender. So as you can see, we've got our cube. We're running 4.4 in Blender, but what we'll do is we'll actually learn a few things. So if we hold our middle mouse button down, we can orbit our cube, just like this. If we want to pan our image, we press the Shift key down and we go left to right, just like that. And of course, if we want to actually zoom in, you can roll the mouse wheel forward or roll it back. You can also press Control, which does the same thing, but you're pressing the middle mouse button down. So quite easily and simply, what we're doing is we're actually learning how to actually rotate around our system. If you get lost, just like that. But if our cube is selected, what we've got camera, cube and light. So if we actually selected our cube like that, as you can see it turns orange, and we press the full stop key on our 9-figure pad, what happens, it zooms you back in to our cube and centers it in the middle of the screen again. So that's just a few things we can learn in Blender. Now the next thing we're going to actually look at is how to actually move our cube around our 3D space. So if we press the R key, this will allow us to rotate, and press the Ctrl Z key will always undo our last move. So say we wanted to rotate this in the X direction, R to rotate, X to actually make it roll around along the X, and if we move our mouse around, we can rotate it just like that. And say we wanted to actually rotate it in the Y direction, we press the R key on the Y, which is the green line, and we can rotate it like that. And of course, Z will R and Z, and we can rotate it just like that. Right, the next thing we can do is we can actually move it from left to right. And if we went G and X, we'd move it that way, and G and Y, we can move it left, and of course G and Z, we can move it up or down, which of course enables our cube to actually move about in our 3D space. And if we keep pressing Ctrl Z, what you can do is actually undo it until it lands back in the center. So in this tutorial, what we've done is allowed us to actually pan our scene in Blender and of course rotate our cube. Now this is a quick and easy tutorial, and follow me on the next tutorial when we do something a little bit more complex. Now this has made the actual cabin image that Alex wants to make just that little bit more easy to move. So please subscribe to my channel and we'll follow the next tutorial on our Blender mission to learn Blender. Bye for now.